Happy New Year to everyone. I kind of took a break for a few days over the Christmas holidays, and Bitcoin wasn't doing a hell of a lot, just dropping. And I wanted to wait till we had a little upward momentum coming. So I am going to just take a peek here. I do see some good things. I had to get my charts going again. We'll just clear this one. And this is our daily. And you can see on our daily here, we do have a hidden bullish divergence forming, and in a couple hours this closes engulfing and starts a fresh one. Then we are going to have that bullish divergence pretty much touching and formed pretty close. Move that stupid thing. I hate how that's always goes on there. So there's our daily. We can see, and we'll chart that out after we have confirmation. Not going to do it right now because there's no point, but we do have confirmation already on our our 3 day looks nice, but if you look at the weekly, we already have our confirmation anyways right here, and these are our swing targets for long. So I hope you got your entry a little lower. So this is our swing long entry right here, and let's just put narrow because here's our spot, and our entry was back down here again. So nice little bounce down, perfect time to get in. Get in now if you want. Set a low leverage, you know, because there won't be any more dumpy dumps. So get in, set a low leverage. If it drops, add to it and take care of that shit. First take profit right here in between the 618 and the 786, and then the next one I'd say between the 1.1 and the 1.272, or ride it all the way up to the top. But these are two targets, or you can hit any one of these. You could do part, you know, depending what you're using for to trade on. And what do we have here? Shiba. That's futures. Okay, so this one, I kept buying a little more Shiba there, so Shiba's gonna pop here soon once Bitcoin takes off. That's the thing with these shit coins and stuff, is I see a lot of TA on my phone, different things that pop up, and it seems like a lot of stuff that, like, I don't know why it pops up, because they're not good at doing TA at all, because none of that shit matters that they're putting down, because if Bitcoin drops, so does the token. So there's going to be absolutely nothing fucking happening with that token if Bitcoin drops. So this will slowly come up here, and we will finally get past our resistance here. I'd say, we probably have a level in between here, which we need to get past. So this is going to be our major first resistance. But if Bitcoin blows up, that's going right past anyways. Bitcoin needs to get past this 48.5-ish. And my computer's a little slow. It has a lot of shit going on it. And this, we'll unlock that. This is just our range, and that broke. So there's that. And then I have two lines here. We can really get rid of this red one because it doesn't matter anymore. No, we'll leave it because this is our channel that we broke out of. And then we came back down, broke back in it. That didn't sound very good. We broke down through it. And here's our green one is our actual trend line, which I need to adjust slightly because it was on a different time frame. So we'll just do that now. Then you get a better idea. Actually, no, it's pretty close. Let's blow this up. So this trend line needs to, well, no. Yeah, you know what? It's pretty fucking good right there. Okay, we won't move it much. It doesn't need to be. But this is our trend line from up here. So we are above that. We are over it, and that's good. So that is a bullish sign. Higher time frames are looking better. On our 6 hour, we have the engulfing here, but we also need to confirm that. And right here, we did have the bullish divergence. And also right here, we have another one. So good signs on the 6 hour. And we should break through this little trend here. Let's look at the 12 hour. Oh yeah, here we have a hidden bullish divergence forming right here on the MACD lines, and also coming up here on the histogram slowly. A little dip here, so there is one forming here. So that'll be nice once it is actually formed. And then we showed the daily, weekly. There's our daily, looks nice. And I wish the countdown would actually show that here on the daily, but it doesn't for some reason. I have to see if there's a way to change that. And so this right here on the daily shows that we are coming up. So I wouldn't expect anything lower than what we have here. And the weekly, well, this really tells the whole story. This did tweak down a little bit, but we still have this forming. So as we come up, that'll change. Our 3-day was brand new yesterday, so along with our daily. So this is nice on the 3-day, so I'm assuming it's going to probably close somewhere up here. We're going to see some nice movement up now. So this has a few days, but yeah, we'll close that nice engulfing too. So we're seeing some nice long-term movement coming up. So I think we bottomed out, because if you look at this, put that on the 4-hour. Look how many times we touched that. 6 times. So it's about due to start popping up now. Low volume weekend, so I'm not expecting a lot, but I'm expecting a little bit up. At least test this range up here close to, I'd say that 48.5. We could push through that, but right now it's just get your trades in before we pop. But it's not going to be a super fast thing. It could take, 3 weeks to get up to 64 range or something. It could be fast, just who knows. And this 75, like getting up to an all-time high, it could be weeks. So you got to know when you're doing a swing long or something like that, it's going to take a bit. So you got to have some patience, and you got to trust the fibs, because this shit usually plays out. Like, it's over 90% accurate for setting these moves. You just got to have patience and let them form, and then jump in and wait for confirmation. Like on the weekly, there was your confirmation, but we knew we'd retest down here, and then there it is. There's your entry, and it's going to come up. And this weekly will likely close up here somewhere. It just takes time to play out. And I don't use Market Cipher anymore because I don't guess trade, and that's just guess trading. So I probably will take that link off my set of links because it's really, I don't want to promote that. I'd rather help people learn how to trade properly and not guess trade. So I will start removing that, and join my Discord if you want. Got a link below. And that's it for this one. We have nice setups. I'll probably make a video later today and maybe go through some stuff. We'll see how busy I get. And if there's any big moves, I will definitely. But till next time, Happy New Year. I hope everyone had a good Christmas and a Happy New Year's. See you in the next one.